strawberries going. Habaneros. Look, look, look. And look at that. I got peanuts, cucumbers, watermelon. Well, let me go closer so you can see it. Look. These are my beautiful peanuts. Cucumbers, watermelon, and tomatoes, and corn. Not exactly sure yet. They on the cups though, but spinach. Yes, this is spinach right here. That's spinach. With an extra leaf, this is corn. These are tomatoes. Yep. Look how big my tomatoes have got. I transplanted them. Yep. So, stay tuned for more. Oh, God. Let's go.